Naragsak nga isa sang bayo, dito'y siyudad ti Bigan. Welcome to the city of Bigan. The historic town of Bigan was inscribed in the World Heritage List in November 1999 because of its outstanding development in architecture, urban planning, and landscape design. It also serves as a testimony to a cultural tradition which has disappeared. Bigan represents a unique fusion of Asian building design and construction with European colonial architecture and planning. It is also an exceptionally intact and well-preserved example of European trading town in East and Southeast Asia. The name Bigan was derived from biga, a giant taro plant that grows abundantly along the banks of the Mestizo River. This river was central in the development of trade and community activities in Bigan during the 16th to the 19th centuries. Established in the 16th century, Bigan is the best preserved example of a planned Spanish colonial town in Asia. Its architecture reflects the coming together of cultural elements from elsewhere in the Philippines and from China with those from Europe to create a unique culture and townscape without parallel anywhere in East and Southeast Asia. Calle Crisologo, located at the heart of the Mestizo district, lined on both sides by centuries-old Bigan houses. It is made of cobblestones. Ground floors of the old house and Calle Crisologo has been turned into shops where souvenir items and Bigan furniture could be found in reasonable prices. Bigan Ancestral Houses. The Bigan Ancestral Houses were built by Chinese Taipans who made fortunes out of indigo dye, apple fabrics, gold, tobacco, and other export items. The massive brick and plaster houses with red tiled roofs and the imposing doorways, grand staircases, broad narrow floorboards, and piedra china, sliding cabis windows, and ventanillas and full azotea reflects the artistic and technological craftsmanship of the 18th and 19th century native artisans who developed an architectural style adapted to the earthquake-prone tropics. Burgos National Museum. The ancestral house of Padre Jose Burgos is an excellent showcase of archaeological and ethnographic treasures, antiques, dioramas of local historical events, and photographs of Ilocano heroes and achievers. A priceless collection of 14 Esteban Villanueva canvases depicting the 1807 Basi Revolt is exhibited on the upper floor of the museum. Formerly the home of Padre Jose Burgos. The ground floor houses the ethnological and historical exhibits such as ethnic artifacts, weapons, kitchen utensils, basketry, wooden sugar milling equipment, rig or horse-drawn vehicle or locally called kalesa. Burgos memorabilia, tri-dimensional dioramas showing two important events in the colonial history of Ilocos Sur, and the mini library. Upstairs are originally furnishings, pottery, religious and secular arts, and period jewelry and costumes. Beside the museum is the Ilocos Sur Provincial Jail, where the late President Elpidio Quirino, the first Ilocano president, was born, particularly at the warden's office. Plaza Burgos. The other major plaza of historical Bigan, Plaza Burgos, is flanked by the cathedral and the old seminarium, which burned down in 1968. Its ambience and the presence of kiosks offering local delicacies make Plaza Burgos a favorite promenade for local folks and visitors alike. It is a landmark tribute to the Bigan martyr priest, Father Jose P. Burgos. On the east end of the plaza is the newly renovated large stage where important events are held. The plaza has an adequate and attractive lighting system, clean surroundings, and mini children's park. At the northwestern portion stands the century-old bell tower of Vigan Cathedral. The plaza's special attraction are the empanada stands, which are situated at its premises in the afternoon up to late evening. Plaza Salcedo. The elevated elliptical plaza west of the cathedral features the 17th century Juan Salcedo monument, the oldest of its kind in northern Luzon. It was in the Plaza Salcedo where Gabriela Silang was executed by public hanging in 1763. Siquia Mansion. The ancestral home of Doña Alicia Quirino. The Siquia Mansion was a venue of official and public functions during the administration of the late President Elpidio Quirino. Soon to be a museum, it will feature an impressive collection of presidential memorabilia. It was built in 1830 by Justo Angco and given as a gift to his daughter Estefania when she wed Gregorio Siquia in 1875. The Siquias were considered a genteel family who had extensive business interests and vast land holdings. Their house was proof of this. One of the daughters of Siquia clan, Alicia Siquia, was married to President Elpidio Quirino in 1922. From being a congressman, senator, cabinet member, and vice president, Quirino was catapulted to the presidency in April 15, 1948 due to the sudden death of President Manuel Rojas. Crisologo Museum. The Crisologo Museum is an old two-story building of durable concrete and hardwood with Calintipai windows at the second floor, antique walls made of bricks, iron and steel window grills at the ground floor. Beside various exhibits on natural history, it has rich collection of articles of historical value, antique furniture, santos or icon, ethnological pieces, and Congressman Floro Crisologo's memorabilia.